I'm going to teach you guys how to set up your PHP environment using the server apps XAMPP or MAMP. So the two of them are literally the same thing. They do literally the same thing, but it all comes down to your choice. But I feel like sometimes XAMPP has some issues. So yeah, but it all comes down to preference. So either you use XAMPP or MAMP. So what you're going to do is go to your browser and just type MAMP download or XAMPP download. Click on the first link. Uh, then you are going to select the latest version or the version of your choice. Then after downloading it, so after downloading, you install it on your device, and you are going to open the XAMPP, and you're going to turn on the first server, which is the Apache server. Yeah, but I have some issues with my XAMPP as usual, so you're going to go with MAMP. They are literally the same thing. So you're going to open your MAMP or XAMPP, then turn on the Apache server. So you turn on the Apache server. I think the MySQL server also turns on like automatically. So after doing all these, you're going to go to your local disk, and you're going to find the XAMPP directory or the MAMP directory. You're going to look for this folder called htdocs. And here's where you set up your environment. But I'm having issues with my XAMPP, so let's go with the MAMP. So yeah, you go to your htdocs. It's literally the same thing. Then once you're in the htdocs folder, you can either create a folder or go with a simple file or something. So we are going to open our VS Code and we are going to set up first PHP environment. So within this folder, or maybe the folder you would create in the htdocs, we're just going to, let's say, create a new file. Going to create a new file called maybe I'll say .php, and I'm going to set up. It's going to be PHP. And then I'm going to, let's say, echo hello, please subscribe, something like this. And yeah, and it should, you are going to go to your browser and type localhost, and the name of the file. So we named it or say .php. So as we can all see here, hello, please subscribe. So that's how you set up your PHP environment using the server apps. But there's another way you can set up the environment locally on your computer, so that when you run the code here, it's going to be in your server like this. But I'm going to create another video for that. So yeah, subscribe. Thank you.